friends. Today we're going to talk about diagonal lines. Now, diagonal lines are straight lines, but they move at an angle. They slide down. So the first diagonal line that we're going to do today is red robot. It's letter R. So first we're going to make it. So I take my big line, I take my little curve, and I put it right at the top. And then I take my little line and I make a diagonal line down. Now, watch me make R for red robot. I start at the top, big line down, frog jump up, little curve to the middle, and diagonal line to the bottom. There's red robot, letter R. Next, we're going to make, oh, I remember this, friend. It's kicking king, letter K. So I need a big line to make my big line down, little line, diagonal to the middle, and diagonal to the bottom. Now, watch me make letter K. I start at the top, big line down, frog jump to the center, diagonal line to the middle, diagonal line to the bottom to make K. Let's see who the next Letterlander. It's Annie Apple, letter A. Annie Apple, we need two big lines, and it's not a corner starter, it's a center starter. So diagonal down, and then little line right in the middle. Now I'm going to make it. Ready? I'm going to write it. So Annie Apple, letter A, diagonal line down, frog jump up, diagonal line down again, little line in the middle. There's the Annie Apple, letter A. Next, I'm going to make Munching Mike, letter M. So, Munching Mike, we need a big line down. We need another big line, but diagonal down, diagonal up, and then straight line down. All right, it's time to make M, Munching Mike. Start at the top, big line down, frog jump up, diagonal down to the bottom, diagonal up to the top, then big line down to the bottom. All right, let's see who's next. The next Letterlander is going to be Noisy Nick, letter N. Letter N, we need three big lines. First, big line down, big line diagonal, and then straight up to the top. Ready? Big line down, frog jump up, diagonal down line to the bottom, straight line right back to the top. There's N, Noisy Nick. Let's see who's next. Oh, our next Letterlander. It looks like it's Vicky Violet. Vicky Violet needs two diagonal lines. So we need to start at the corner, diagonal down to the bottom, and diagonal up to the top. Oh, time to write it. Ready? V, Vicky Violet. Diagonal to the bottom, diagonal straight back to the top. There's V, Vicky Violet. Oh, let's see who's next. The next Letterlander. Oh, I'm going to try not to get wet because it's Walter Walrus. Walter Walrus, we need 1, 2, 3, 4 diagonal lines. So, I start at the top, diagonal down, diagonal up, diagonal down, and then diagonal again. So 4 diagonal lines. Watch me write W for Walter Walrus. Ready? Diagonal down, diagonal up to the top, diagonal down, then diagonal back to the top. There's W, Walter Walrus. All right, we're almost there. Let's see who's next. It's Fix It Max. Fix It Max, we need 2 diagonal lines. We need 2 big lines. Diagonal down, diagonal right across. Now it's going to be time to make my X for Fix It Max. Diagonal to the bottom, diagonal straight back through. So there's X for Fix It Max. Oh, I think I know who's next. It's going to be Yellow Yo-Yo Man. Yellow Yo-Yo Man. We need a diagonal big line and a diagonal little line. First, my little line goes that way. Then my big line goes the other way. Yeah, so little line and big line right through. Now, let's make letter Y for Yellow Yo-Yo Man. Little line diagonal, big line diagonal. There's Y for Yo-Yo Man. Now, we have one more Letterlander left. It's the last Letterlander. Oh, we're almost there. Let's see. We're going to be making Zig-Zag Zebra. Zig-Zag Zebra, we need a little line at the top, big diagonal line, and then a little line straight at the bottom. So excited, it's the last one. Ready? Zig-Zag Zebra, letter Z, starts at the top. We go straight across the top, zig to the bottom, and then zag at the bottom. There's Z for Zig-Zag Zebra. Now see if you can make some of these diagonal line letters at your house. We finally did it. We did all of our Letterlanders. Bye, friends.